Imagine having a personal assistant that can write, rewrite, and refine your document in minutes, not hours. Sounds like magic? It's not. Introducing Microsoft Word's Copilot, the AI-powered game changer that's revolutionizing the way we work. From drafting proposals to summarizing reports, Copilot is here to transform your productivity and creativity. In this video, we'll show you how to unlock its full potential and take your document creation to the next level. Let's dive in. To get started in Copilot, you need to have a Microsoft 365 subscription with the latest updates. Once you open Microsoft Word, you'll see the Copilot button on the right side of your toolbar on the Home ribbon. Click to activate the Microsoft Copilot. Let's create a new document from scratch using Copilot. Suppose we want to write a proposal for a new project. Here's how you can do it. I will type, write a proposal for a new eco-friendly water bottle. By hitting enter, what you will see is that Copilot will begin working on the proposal for you. Once the result has been completed, what you can do is you can insert this text into your document. Voila! As you can see here, Copilot has created a comprehensive proposal for us. You can now edit and refine it according to your needs. Now, let's see how we can rewrite text with different tones and styles. This is particularly useful if you want to make your content more formal or engaging. Right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight the section or the paragraph that I would like to rewrite, and I would click the Copilot button. From here, I can actually write a prompt, and I would use the prompt of rewrite this paragraph in a more formal tone. Once I'm completed, then I would generate, and Copilot will generate a new draft for me. I can either choose to keep it or I could choose to replace it. So in this case, what I would do is I would click on the replace button and Copilot will replace the text accordingly. So of course, with some formatting changes, you will be able to perform these changes immediately. Sometimes converting text into tables can help with better visualization and organization. Let's see how Copilot can do it for us. Select the text that you want to transform into a table form, and then what you can do is you can click on this button and you write a prompt. Convert this list into a table. Once you have completed this, you just have to click on the generate button and Copilot will start working on the items. As you can see here, Copilot is slowly generating a table for me, and what it would do is it would then suggest to me for me to consider for being kept. As you can see here, the whole table has been created, so you can either choose to keep it or you can replace it. So that is how you use Copilot to help you create data tables from text narrations. If you have difficulties in continuing your work, you can also use the Inspire Me function by going to an empty line and followed by using the Copilot button. Over here, you will see that the Inspire Me button is available for you. So from there, then you can get Copilot to help you to generate fresh ideas. As you can see, Copilot has generated a paragraph on environmental impact. So you can actually keep it to continue your proposal. Another feature that Copilot has is that you can actually summarize the document using Copilot. Over here, what you can do is you can type summarize this document for me. And you will see that Copilot will summarize the document for you within the next few seconds. So that way you can actually review documents in a faster fashion and increase your productivity by 10x. As you can see here, Copilot has generated me a simple summary that I can read and go through within a short period of time.
That wraps up our tutorial on Microsoft Word's Copilot. We hope it greatly enhances your productivity and sparks your creativity. Like, comment, and subscribe to learn more AI tips. Thanks for tuning in.